Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be servicing Toyota Rav4. This particular model is 2016 and the engine size is 2.5 petrol with hybrid motor. So we're going to be changing the oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, spark plugs and the engine oil. So just gonna crack on with it. Right, here we are under the car. So here is the location for the under tray which we need to remove to get to the oil sump, drain plug as well as the oil filter. So it's secured by a couple of 10mm bolts, so we're going to remove the bolts to start with. Right, here we go, that's the tray removed. Right, here is the location for the drain plug. So in order to remove the drain plug we'll use a 14mm socket and the ratchet. So here's the location for the oil filter, and we're gonna remove the oil filter drain plug which is here. So this filter drain plug you can remove it with the 3/4 extension drive bar. I'm just gonna remove it in this manner. Right, so before we remove the oil filter housing we'll have to remove this clip here. This is the locking clip. It stops the oil filter from coming off, I mean the housing. So for that what we'll do is we'll use a small pray bar and we're gonna insert it in here and just gonna pull the clip out in this manner. There we go, so that's the clip out of the way. Right, so next we're gonna use this plastic piece here which is which has come with the new filter. So we're gonna insert it in here to drain the oil out of the oil filter housing. So just gonna let the oil drain out before we remove the filter. That's good enough. So now we can go ahead and remove the oil filter housing. Right, so we're going to be using this special tool to undo the oil filter. That's the oil filter housing out of the way. Right, here comes our new oil filter. We're using QH Power. So just gonna show you the new filter. Here's the new filter. Just gonna leave it there. And the two O-rings. So just gonna pull this old filter out. So we're gonna clean the housing from inside, and then we're gonna change the O-ring. There we go. So that's the O-ring out of the way. Here is the other O-ring which goes here in this manner. So just gonna clean the housing with the cleaner. Perfect. Here comes the two O-rings. So just gonna apply oily hands on it and place it in here in this manner. Next we're gonna install the bigger O-ring which goes here. Perfect. Here comes the new oil filter. Just gonna push it all the way in. Right, so now we are ready to fit the new oil filter housing back onto the engine. Right, here we go. So now we can tighten the filter from here. There we go. Perfect. That's the oil filter fully secured. Next what we're going to do is we're going to slide in this clip. And the clip goes here in this manner. There we go. So that's the clip fully home. It goes on this side here. Just gonna show you the close-up. Here, that's the clip fully home. This is to stop housing from coming off. So that's the new oil filter nicely been replaced, and the housing is nicely been secured as well. The torque should be no more than 25 Newton meters on this housing. Right, so before we fit the drain plug back on, we're gonna add a new copper washer onto the drain plug. Right, so just gonna fit the drain plug back on and gonna tighten the drain plug. There we go. That's good enough. Perfect. So that's the drain plug fully secured. Right, now that we have drained the oil and fitted the oil sump plug back on and also changed the oil filter, so we're going to put the cover back on. Right, here we go. That's the under tray cover fully secured. Next we're going to change the air filter. So the air filter connection is here. 2 clips. And just gonna pull the housing lid towards me like this, in this manner, and just gonna take the old air filter out of the way. Right, here comes the new air filter. We're using a QH part. Just gonna slide in the new filter and then just gonna do the clips, one here and one at the back. Right, so that's the air filter nicely been replaced. Right, next we're going to change the spark plugs on this Toyota Rav4. So we're just gonna take the cover off. So here we have 4 spark plugs, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just gonna undo the connectors to start off with. 1, and the second one here, the third one, and the fourth one. So we're going to be using a 10mm socket to undo these 4 bolts to remove the coil packs. And the fourth one. Right, so just gonna pull the coil packs out. That's 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Right, so in order to remove the spark plugs, we are using 16mm magnetic socket. There we go, that's the spark plug number 1. They look proper worn out. Right, so just gonna leave the old spark plug here. Here comes the new spark plug. We are using Danso make spark plug. So before I insert it in, before I insert the new spark plug in, we're gonna match it with the old one. Yeah, that is the right one. Perfect. Always hand tighten to start off with. Just gonna torque it off. Perfect. So next is the second spark plug. Right, here comes the second one. Again, as I mentioned, they look proper worn out, well used. Here comes the new spark plug number 2. Here comes the spark plug number 3. Here comes the new one. And the fourth one. There we go, that's the fourth one. Here comes the new one. So this is the fourth spark plug going in. Perfect. Right, so that's all 4 spark plugs nicely been replaced. So now we're gonna fit in the coil packs one by one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, so next is the 4 bolts securing each coil pack to the rocker cover. Hi, right, so just gonna fit the harness connectors back onto the coil packs one by one. Here comes the cover. Perfect. So that's the spark plugs nicely been replaced on this Rav4. Right, so next we're going to change the pollen filter on this Rav4. So the pollen filter location is behind the glove box. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the glove box. Then we're going to disconnect the soft open shut damper here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press the sides of the glove box. And that's how we're going to remove the glove box. Okay, so that's the glove box out of the way. So here's the location for the pollen filter, just here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this clip on the side and just going to remove the lid, and then just going to pull the pollen filter out in this manner. Right, here's the old pollen filter. The airflow is pointing downwards towards the carpet, and here comes the new pollen filter. As you can see, the airflow arrows, we're just gonna follow the same direction. So the airflow arrows are facing downwards towards the carpet, towards the floor. So this is how we're gonna insert the pollen filter, like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put the lid back on in this way. Just gonna push it all the way in. Perfect. Right, so now we are ready to fit the glove box back onto the dash. So just gonna line up the hinges in this manner. So that's both of the hinges fully in place. Next we're gonna pull this soft open shut damper. Just gonna bring it in here and push it in. There we go. And then you just push the glove box back and you close it, and there we go. That's the pollen filter nicely been replaced on this Rav4. Right, so next we're going to fill up the engine with fresh oil, and the capacity for this engine is 4.4 liters of engine oil. We are using Hyperloop 0W20 grading. So this is a fully synthetic oil. Right, we go. The oil level is at max. So we're gonna put the oil cap back on to the engine. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.